What is going on here? Somebody fell off the bike. Damn. Bike crash. Fuck. Somebody slid out. I have a feeling something terrible happened here, because we got a helicopter. God damn, when the helicopter's involved, it's serious. Helicopter taking off. Just a reminder to fucking chill out on these roads. Sometimes I go a little balls out, but it's not that serious. Look at these fucking squids in front of me. Dude is wearing running shoes, zip laces everywhere, wife beaters, open face helmets. Not smart.